video update from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, the Sales Director. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. Registration is open for our Spring Open House series. Tour homes and interact with the residents who live in the homes. We are offering 4 dates once a week, starting April 5th and running through April 26th. Visit gardenspotVillage.org/visit to register for the date you wish to join us. Later this month, we welcome spring and thousands of people to our campus for our annual half marathon and 10K. We look forward to cheering on runners from across the country. March 22nd and 23rd is our official race weekend. Girls on the Run will host a Kids Fun Run on Friday, March 22nd, and we will host our annual half marathon and 10K on Saturday, March 23rd. You have just a few more days to register at gsv.run. On Saturday, March 23rd, you can also join us from 1:30 to 4 p.m. for a train room open house. Stop in with the children in your life to experience a one-of-a-kind display. Our train room open houses are free and open to the public, but donations are always welcome. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, and I look forward to seeing you soon.